Today I'm back in my variegated dwarf jade that I've been growing for the last few years. This is a slow growing tree and all I do is let it grow and trim it back when it needs it. But because it's variegated, it doesn't grow as fast as the all green ones. But that's fine, I'm in no rush, but it does mean the videos for this tree are pretty boring. The change is pretty slow. However, if you go back and watch the first video, you see it does look a lot different than it does here. It's slow, but it is doing something. Eventually it will turn into something decent. In June, I actually pruned it. It might not look too overgrown, but the foliage is all quite small and dense, but there are a few branches that need trimmed back. And here you probably won't even notice any difference, but it did get pruned. Then there's pretty much left just to do what it wants for the rest of the year. I do need to go in and make some big decisions at some point. You can see there's plenty of crossing branches and stuff like that, but I'm in no rush. I'm just letting it do its thing and really keeping it in check. I didn't even repot it this year again. It's maybe been in this pot for a few years now. It's just taking its time, so I'll just go with it at the same speed. You have to play the long game with trees like this. That's just the way it is. By October, it'll be slowing down even more. I keep this tree under the grow light, but I turn the levels right down at this point to give the tree kind of a winter rest kind of thing. I do like this little tree. I think one day it'll be pretty cool looking, especially when it gets a proper pot. But for now it just kind of stays in the corner and doesn't get up too much. But it's healthy and it's growing, so that's all I can ask for. I also like the colour of the leaves. They have a nice creaminess to them, and sometimes you see little pink bits, especially on the new tips of the new shoots. So I'm still enjoying it, even if it's slow. In January, you might be able to see that some of the shoots need pruned again. Again, it's hard to see. They're quite small and tight, but I will have to do that when it gets nearer to spring. Here we are in February, where I'm going to prune it. It's nearly springtime, so I'll be turning the grow light on for longer soon. So it should start growing again, and a little prune will prepare it nicely for that. And here it is after, where it doesn't look like I've done anything. Again, all the branches are quite small dents, so really I only removed a lot of the tips. So it doesn't look like anything's missing, but it's all ready for spring now. And here it is now, where it hasn't changed, but hopefully it'll start growing again soon. Thanks for watching, see you next time.